Hello guys, how you doing? My name's Hannah Bennyhood. I'm an artist and architect living and working in North London. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm doing an artist vlog. I've been recording things for the past couple of weeks. I really want to share with you the kind of realities, ups and downs of trying to build an artistic career. So yeah, there's some fun stuff in here. We go to workshops, I film myself finding out about a bid, and a friend's art show, as well as some studio time. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you do. Let's do this, shall we? I am having a week where I'm just juggling so many little bits of lots of projects. Can you see my thing? There's my little to-do list there. And yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 live projects, 9 if you include YouTube. I've been a little overwhelmed. I do have hair though. I am off to White Walls to go and see their workshop because I have some sculpture that is being made there. So exciting, and this is the first time I'm seeing it in real life, and it's been quite the journey to get here. So I'm going to take you along with me, and yeah, let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, this is so exciting. That was very cool, very exciting. I actually felt a bit emotional. A bit emotional when I saw those ribbons. You know, when you've worked on something for so long and it's been in your imagination, and then it's been drawings, and then it's been 3D models and back and forth and changes, and I'm like, oh my god, there it is, it exists. I have a very exciting package that has arrived. These are my prints that I've ordered as a little thank you for people who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I still have a few more left. If you'd like to win one, just click subscribe right now, follow me to my Instagram, the link is in the bio, and let me know you subscribed, and if there are any left, I will send them to you. But let's open them. I do love getting things printed, it's so lovely. Oh, I'm really chuffed with these. The colours were really vibrant. I was a bit worried that they'd be dulled down, but actually they look so good. Yes, yes, yes. I'm feeling a little bit today. I've generally had just a bit of a mare of a morning, but I just can't really, I've got this thing that's going on in a project that I'm just finding quite difficult to manage. And yeah, it's just tricky. I'm not even quite sure how to talk about it on here, because I do want to share the difficult bits of the job, but obviously, you know, we got to keep it classy. I'm not gonna tag and drag people on the internet. So I just need to kind of figure out how to talk about these things. You know, like I think when you run a small business on your own, it's quite tricky because you're like all the people, like you can't, like this situation, you know, if I was in an architecture practice, this is like where I would call in a director and be like, okay, they're not listening to me. We need to like, you know, bring on the big dogs, like, you know, really go for it. But that's not possible in this situation. Or even to be honest, a business partner, someone who you could just be like, am I going insane? I don't think I'm going insane. I'm pretty sure I'm reading this situation correctly. But when it's just you've got to be like, you know, you've got to be all the things. I feel like, am I being a bit of a mug here? And I don't want to be a bug. I don't want to be a walkover. Like, I think a lot of that's like built in to like being a woman and being subservient and just being like, oh yeah, nothing's a problem, everything's fine. And it's like sometimes like everything's not fine actually. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm dealing with this week. Hopefully we can get the situation rectified. Up my drawing for today. So I sketched this on my couch yesterday, but I had forgot my colouring pencils in my studio, so nice way to start the morning. I'm loving this morning drawing that I've been doing. It's creating some like really nice pages in my sketchbook. It's just transformed the way that I use my sketchbook. It like really was getting to the point where it was just to-do lists, like just writing to-do lists, because I work so often on my tablet, and yeah, it's just really become this really important bit of time for me in the day that's just not on a screen. I try to do it when my phone's locked up as well, so I'm not listening to something, because like today I was drawing and I was listening to a podcast, which isn't too bad, but sometimes I think I'm like a bit addicted to content. Do you know what I mean? Like, I think especially if you work on your own, like I always have something playing. Maybe it's not that bad, maybe it's no different to like back in the day having the radio on, but sometimes I feel like I do need to just learn how to sit with my own thoughts. But yeah, anyway, I am back to emails I go, and I'll check in when I have something more interesting to say. Hello, it's Thursday morning. I'm at home, but I just thought I would turn the camera on because I'm pretty sure I've got an email letting me know whether I've won a bid or not, and it's one that I care a lot about, and so I don't know, I'm hoping it will be good news. I've had a good morning. It feels like good vibes are in the air, but I don't know. Anyway, I thought I would let you experience it with me, because this is what my life is like. I like analyze clients' emails like you would do if they were an ex-boyfriend, honestly. And yesterday they emailed me and I was like, oh my god, this is it, and then it was just a question, and then the client replied back being like, we'll let everyone know tomorrow, ! And I was like, ! Does that mean I've won? Like, would you sound so excited if you were letting someone know Like, I feel like if I didn't think they'd win, I'd say we're letting everyone know tomorrow, full stop. Like, that's how in my head I get about like client emails during bid time. So, all right, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna look. How happy I am, like, honestly. This just means, like, I feel like I might cry. I won't cry, I'll keep it together. But like, this means so much. This was, sorry. Sorry, let me put you down. This was the brief that was expanded on through Girls of the Light, which was my passion project, and like this is the work that I want to do, you know? This is what I want to do with my artwork and my practice, and I want to contribute in a meaningful way that like can do something, and I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about like actually working with, I don't know how much I can tell you. What can I tell you? Anyway, I won't say who it's with or what exactly it is, but it is working on like a nighttime strategy, which like I am just like so passionate about making the nighttime more accessible for people, and I'm gassed. I can't believe it. Like I invested so much time and money into Girls of the Light, all of my own back, and it's resulted in work, and like that is what I wanted. Like, here's the truth. I've been on a 6-month losing streak. Coming second, running up, runners up, apologies, sorry, not this time, we loved your work, but, and I've just been like, and I got to the point in the new year where I was like, I can't do this anymore. Like, I cannot do this anymore. I'm just gonna do my own work. I'm just gonna believe in myself, fund my own projects, back myself, and the right clients will come to me. And like, that is what has happened. What a day, what a day. I'm over the moon.
No.